what is up? Today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a collaboration video with Darish Martin. So, please subscribe to her channel because she is good at editing, and subscribe to mine as well to be the part of my hashtag Unicorn Fab. So, without further ado, I know you're excited. Please keep on watching. So when I start off, first I have a Tupperware with a container and my mixing tool, which is my favorite plastic spoon. Let us now move on to my slime box. It includes all of my slime stuffs because it's a slime box. First, I have a activator. I'm using the liquid Ariel or the power gel. And then empty bottles of glue I put on my activator as well. And then I have my Elmer's school glue. And then another activator in the empty bottle of glue, my poster colors. And then I have this sequences, I don't know what to call them, but anyways, yeah. And then I have my glitter in blue and rose gold, I think. And then I'm a weird person, but I collect things like the container for ice cream because I use it for my slimes. And then I have a plastic lids for them, or their lids. Next is I have a foam or foam slime, I don't think so. And yeah, that is a Jollibee from a gravy, and I just use it as a container for my slime. It's a bit sticky. And I have there's a campfire slime there. And yeah, I'm going to show you some slimes that I use. First is this slime. It is just a homemade slime, and I made a slime smoothie out of that. Next is I have a cloud slime. At the summer just gave it to me, so thank you for you. It's so amazing, you guys. Let's see, you can see. Whoa! So that is it. Did you guys like it? Give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want a collab, please just message me in my Instagram. My Instagram is just Charlize Gail. You can find it, and yeah, make sure that you have the Instagram account probably. So anyways, bye guys. Subscribe to my channel as well as Darish Martin's channel. Always remember to be happy like Jollibee. Bye.